Public service announcement. AI content detectors don't work. There's a host of studies out there now that prove this, that they just do not work. And when you understand the technology behind a large language model, then you understand why they don't work. But what I want to do today is a live demo just to see, are they going to work or not? So, what I've done is I have written a paragraph that explains artificial intelligence to an educator. Well, really anyone, just, a basic definition of artificial intelligence. Then I went to ChatGPT and I am using GPT-4, which I would argue, and many people would argue, is the most powerful AI chatbot, large language model out there right now. And I asked, well, let's not get it. We'll get into that in another video. I asked it to explain to a teacher what AI is in one paragraph. So same thing that I wrote, and this is what it gave me. It's a little bit longer than mine, but that's fine for the purposes of today. I have a Wakelet collection of AI and education resources, and on there, I have a collection for AI detectors. And I say on it, they don't work, but I'm putting this here in case you want to try yourself. So I loaded up a few and found some that are free that just let you use it and try it. So we're going to go through three different ones. Number one that we're going to try is called GPT-0. So let's just start. Let's actually start with the AI written definition. We're going to paste it in here and just paste it a little extra there and say check origin. Okay, so it says, oh, interesting though. It thinks it's a mix of human and AI. I did not touch this. You can see here, you can see my chat history. I gave it this prompt, explained to a teacher what AI is in one paragraph, and this is what it gave me. And I literally copied and pasted. There was no human here. So it already kind of got it wrong. It thinks that there's 58% probability it's entirely written by AI. That's not very high considering I know it was 100% written by AI, right? Okay, so now let's delete that one. Let's go to my paragraph, and we're going to copy that and paste it into GPT-0 and check origin. This was completely written by me, almost the exact same result. And I did not test this prior to this video, just so you know. This is literally live. I'm doing this on the fly. This text is likely to be a mix of human and AI text. 57% probability it's entirely written by AI. I wrote this, people. This was wrote by me. So can you imagine if I was a student in a class and the teacher or instructor came to me and said, Lindy, you used AI to write your paper or your essay or your assignment, whatever it is. I would feel really pretty horrible because I'm like, this is my writing. All right, but that's just one. Let's try another one. So that was chat or GPT-0 is the name of it. Let's try this guy here. And we're going to start with the AI again. We're going to copy and go back here and we'll paste and check. Let's see what it says. So remember the other one said 58% likely. Okay, interesting. So this one seems to have a better result. It does say it's mainly written by an AI. It says 100% here, which is interesting, but then here it says mainly. So I'm not sure there. All right, so that was a better result. Now let's try my writing. Okay, check. Even more percent that it's saying that this was written by AI. It was not. It was written by me. 68% chance that my version was written by AI. So it did great with the fully AI version. It did not do great with my writing. But let's try one more. So we're going to, again, we'll start with the AI. This one's called Copy Leaks AI Content Detector. Let's try that. AI content detected, hover over text. 83.6 probability that it's AI. Interesting. All right, let's try mine in Copy Leaks. Okay, this is my text that I wrote. AI content detected. 98.7%. It thinks my writing is AI, almost 100% accuracy. So I really hope that that shows you that AI content detectors, we can't use them in education. They are not effective for many means. And actually, I wanted to show you this. This was one of the detectors I had in my Wakelet collection, and I opened it up today and look, it says it's no longer available because Generative AI tools are too sophisticated for detection by AI already. And guys, this is just the beginning of generative AI. And we've already got to this point. It's not going to get better. It never will. We never will be able to detect. If you understand the way the technology works, how it learns from itself, how it's constantly improving, you'll understand why this will never work. One other thing that I wanted to mention, I've been seeing some studies come out about how they not only don't work, AI content detectors, but they actually target people who are writing in a language that is not their native language. So, really, a lot of harmful, not great results coming out of AI content detectors. So, thanks for joining me. I hope that's helpful. If you need to, try it on your own. GPT zero is the one I tried. Cross Plag, PALAG, and Copy Leaks. I know there's a bunch more out there, but these are just the ones that I could find that were free.